Hello guys and welcome in a new tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook account in an easy and simple way. So if you find this guide helpful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all you need to do is clicking on the three lines at the top right corner, then scroll down and click on settings. From here choose settings, then click on see more in account center. Now scroll down and go to personal details. From this interface, tap on account ownership and control and choose the second option, which is deactivation or deletion. Here choose your Facebook account. Then you can deactivate your account from here temporarily or delete the account. I will go with delete account, then click on continue. Now scroll down and click continue, and here choose the reason why you are deleting your account. Choose any reason, then click continue. Continue to. Now here click continue to, and Facebook will ask you to enter your password. After entering your password, click continue and your account will be deleted. I hope this video helped you guys. If it was, don't forget to support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Bye.